Hello, my name is Toby. I have an announcement to make. From today on, this channel is no longer going to be available. Instead, I am migrating to a different new channel. I'll leave a link in the description so that millions of my followers and subscribers can locate me there. But just in case some of you don't know where the description section is, I took the luxury of writing it down for you so that you know where to find me in my new YouTube channel. No, that's not it. That's my other persona. This is the one here. Toby Pake. So thank you very much for your support and watching my videos on this channel. I will see you on the other side, aka my other channel. Have a nice day. I know I will, because I have a new channel now.